So this is a video example for using explicit or direct instruction for students with dyslexia. So for this example, we're going to be using the word cat. So if I was working with students and I wanted them to spell the word cat, I might do a model, a guided practice, and then work towards individual practice. So how I would start is I would model and I would write the word cat. And I would say, okay, today we're going to be working on spelling the word cat or writing the word cat. So I would model it out. I would say cat. And I would write C-A-T like I just did. Then after I model, I would work towards guided practice. So this could look like them trying to write the word cat on a piece of paper. And with guided practice, you can provide cues or prompts to help them along the way. So if they didn't know that it started with the C, you could say, what letters make k sound? C. Okay. Do that with the A, do that with the T. And you would just help them along writing the word cat like you would typically do, teaching a student how to spell words. Then they would move on to individual practice. This could look like having them in small groups or during individual time or for any activity or lesson. Really, you would have a picture of a cat and you would have them write out C-A-T. Another thing that could be used in guided or individual practice, you could have dotted lines for the letters, like how in most spelling books have dotted lines where you would trace. This would be really good to use with students with dyslexia, is to have the word dotted out. So during their practice, they have the picture of the cat and then they can just trace the dotted lines to write out the word cat for the final product.